Okay, our client has color. We want to definitely reduce the unwanted tones in the hair with BioTanix treatment. It is a has nanotechnology and what's called Violet 43. The formula, which combines the active ingredients as an essential oils and the pigment purple, result in anti-yellowing treatment. On the other hand, it definitely filters the solar UV radiation that works with the solar protection to prevent damage to the hair strands, and it protects the color. Do you like that shine? With the Botanix Extreme Force, it's an organic smoothing system that is blended with organic amino acids. The formula is compatible with all hair types and is compatible with color and chemical services. So anyone can get Biotanix treatment if you're looking for smoothness, manageability, shine, moisture, vibrant color. The Biotanix treatment lasts anywhere between 3 to 6 months, depending on how fast the hair grows and depending on the texture. So, if the hair is curlier at the roots after 3 months, you definitely want to go ahead and keep the hair the same from scalp to ends and repeat the treatment. It fades off the hair slowly after 3 to 6 months. Everyone is different, so make sure after you get it done the first time, kind of pay attention to how long it's lasting on your hair. So you really will get the treatment anywhere between 3 to 4 times a year. Now, what treatment lasts this long on the hair and gives this effect? BioTanix from Prime Pro.